Checking out a closer look at this Motorola. This is the RM-M2050. So they make a lot of different models. This one is a 5-channel, 2-watt. You can buy these by themselves. You can buy them in pairs. You can buy them 4 at a time. Right now I have the mic plugged in. Open up this rubber port on the side, and the mic just plugs in very securely and with a good kind of rubber grommet there. So now you can have this with push to talk. You've got a decent microphone, of course. You've got a clip here, so you could hang this on a lapel, on a collar. You've got the antenna. You've got the power button.
Battery level high, channel 3.
It'll give you a status of the battery as well as your channel. Another push to talk here, and it will still work when you've got it plugged in. Then you've got your channel change.
3, channel 4, channel 5.
And you'll notice that the mic is a speaker and a mic, so you don't have to listen to the speaker down on your waist potentially. Now the speaker is up near your ear. You can adjust the sound
Channel 5.
and get that to be much better volume. This is a real useful job site security type system, the Motorola RM-M2050. Hope this helps.